Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Before we get started with our next character equation, it's worth repeating and remembering the whole reason that we go to school: to make life better for ourselves, our families, our pets, our future family, and friends. Remembering this helps us get ready to learn. We're here to gain the knowledge and skills that help us stay healthy, think clearly, and work together wisely. Each day, we practice being caring, safe, organized, and focused so we can grow into people who build stability, freedom, and happiness for everyone around us. Around the world, there are children being taught a different way, that some people don't matter as much as others, or even how to cause harm. But at our school, we choose to believe in mutual respect, where everyone deserves the opportunity to reach their highest level of health, liberty, and happiness, while they help others do the same. We are learning to cooperate and build one another up, to discover cures, strengthen communities, and protect freedom. Because every time we learn, listen, and lift each other, we're proving that a better future is possible when we build it together. Are you ready to learn the next character equation? Let's go.
10 more seconds.
This page is for your teachers and families. You can pause it to look at it if you need more time. This table of contents outlines all the lessons and activities featured in this video. You may watch it in full or pause it and return to smaller sections each day. Short clips from this video are also available in the Shorts section of the Human Domino Effect YouTube channel. Now, we want to hear from you. Can you think of a time when you learned, loved, or even led by using the healthy, happy, free Venn diagram? Pretend like you're calling to tell me about it. Then raise your hand if you want to share with everyone in the group. Remember to pause the video to think and talk to each other. Now that we understand how to use the healthy, happy, free diagram, and we understand exactly what a character equation is from the first videos in this series, we are ready to learn more about character equation number 1: helpfulness plus organization equals optimal learning environment. These are the collectible character equation cards that you will earn this month. And this is how we will learn what each character trait means each month, too. When you help others and keep things in order at home and at school, you can learn more and make life better for everyone, including you. This is the whole reason we go to school. Yes, this character equation is the first of our 9 character equations for a healthier, happier school full of liberty. Can you see where our first character equation fits into our healthy, happy, free Venn diagram? That's right, it's in the health circle. That means it has to do with the choices you make every day to keep your body and your mind functioning well. Remember, everything we are learning is connected. The cards you earn with your character choices are all part of the healthy, happy, free Venn diagram. Let's learn deeply about our first character equation. Are you ready? Let's jump in. Helpfulness plus organization equals an optimal learning environment. Here's how it works. Step 1. What is helpfulness? Let's brainstorm. What do you think helpfulness means? Remember to stop the video so you can think and talk to each other. Here are some definitions to help. Helpfulness means looking for ways to make life better for yourself or someone else. This might mean eating healthy food, holding the door, sharing materials, checking on a friend, or offering to help without being asked. When you're helpful, you become a super teammate of our human family team. Being helpful means using your heart, your attitude, and your actions to make things better for yourself and someone else. When you demonstrate the character trait helpfulness, you notice a need and you do something kind, thoughtful, or useful. Can you think of a time when you've helped someone in your class or your family? How did it feel? Can you think of a time when no one was choosing to be helpful? And what happens when people do choose to be helpful? Remember to stop the video so you can think and talk to each other, so you can get your mind thinking about these ideas. You might be thinking that we've talked about this before, and you're right. We have talked about this before, but it is so worth repeating the meaning of helpfulness, because this trait is like a thread that runs through all the rest of our character equations and the rest of your life. Helpfulness also means functional. Let's be real. We'd all love it if eating candy all day made us healthy and ready to learn. Sometimes we have to accept the truth and adjust our choices, because understanding what actually makes our life and body function well is the most helpful choice we can make. Helpful and functional means your choice actually works well to make your body, your mind, or your day go better. It's not just about what feels fun or sounds easy at first. It's about what really helps you stay strong, safe, and ready to learn. Here are some silly but true examples. Wearing a winter coat in summer? You'll get hot, tired, and grumpy. Not a helpful and functional outfit for a sunny day. Wearing a swimsuit in the snow? You might want to, but your legs will freeze. It's not a functional and helpful choice for keeping warm and healthy. Yelling during story time? It might get attention, but it keeps others from focusing. That choice isn't functional or helpful for a peaceful classroom where everyone can learn well. Now that you understand what helpfulness means, I think you're ready for step 2. What is organization? What do you think it means to be organized? Let's brainstorm some ideas. Remember to stop the video and talk to each other. Here are some simple definitions for organization. At home, being organized means keeping your space neat and clean. So when you need to study, go to bed, get ready for school, prepare for a sport or music practice, or have fun with your hobbies, you will have all you need. At school, being organized means you work to keep the items in your cubby, your backpack, and your desk stocked and neat so you can find the supplies you need for learning. Organization means keeping things where they belong and planning ahead by getting all you need ready for school and other activities. It might look like putting away your papers neatly so you can find them the next day. Being organized can also mean packing your backpack the night before school. Being ready with a schedule and materials helps you have what you need for learning. When you're organized, your brain can focus, learn, and grow. Being organized in your kitchen means that you decide you want to make a great meal. So you gather all your ingredients, spices, recipe books, pots, pans, bowls, cooking utensils, plates, forks, spoons, and napkins, and set them in places where you can reach them as you cook. Being organized in your garden means you decide to learn how to plant a garden of fruits and veggies. You gather all the seeds, plants, shovels, gloves, rakes, and a hat, and you arrange them where you can reach them as you work in the garden. Now you have step 1 and 2 completed. Let's put helpfulness and organization together. What do you get? An optimal learning environment. Optimal means the very best possible. Some might say that optimal is a word that young children like you won't understand, but that's just how we learn. Like any vocabulary word, using it helps you learn its meaning. Optimal is an important and useful word in many settings, and hearing it often helps you understand how to use it in your own life and apply it to the choices that you make. A brand new school year is a perfect time for a fresh start and a set of new goals. This year, let's make it your best school year yet. When you choose to build an optimal learning environment by mixing the two powerful character traits of being helpful and organized, you are taking the first steps in growing up to live your best life and making life better and better for yourself and those around you. This is how we begin our human domino effect, one powerful choice at a time. Let's make a plan. School starts at what time? Pause and think about this with your parents or your teachers. What time do you need to leave your house to walk or ride to school? Now, how much time does it take to get dressed, brush your teeth, wash your face, and fix your hair without rushing or forgetting things? To make your mornings go smoothly, the night before school, it helps to lay out your clothes, pack your homework, fill your water bottle, and check your backpack. You might even need to make your lunch. And what about your space at home? Do you have a place for your books, pencils, and learning tools? How about your desk or cubby at school? Are you making helpful, organized choices with all your school materials and belongings? Making these kinds of choices, both at the beginning and every day of your school year, will help you get ready to learn and keep learning well the whole school year through. Your schedule and your attitude are a big part of this helpful, organized learning environment. By being calm, healthy, and ready to learn, every helpful and organized choice you make is like adding a building block to your strongest, kindest, most focused self. Now, let's look at a simple example, a little plant. Just like the earth gives a plant what it needs to grow, sunlight, water, soil, oxygen, we can give ourselves what we need to grow too by choosing helpful habits and organizing our lives for learning. And when everything is in its place, you can stretch and learn, just like a plant growing tall towards the sun. A plant grows best when its environment is optimal. That means it has everything it needs to thrive. You grow best as a learner when you make choices that are helpful and you are organized, making for an optimal growing and learning environment. Actually, this lesson might seem simple, but the way we're combining these choices is something new and powerful. Our goal is to help you remember which choices build strong character for a lifetime of learning, friendship, and real world skills. Even rocket scientists learn with these basics. You have a very bright future ahead of you. That's why we work together to build an optimal learning environment. Our best example of helpfulness and organization is our own home planet Earth. Together, the sun and earth provide everything we need: soil, water, sunshine, food, mountains, weather, animals, and rocks that give us the building blocks for inventions and well being. These are the resources that helped our human family invent wheels, books, rockets, the telegraph, the telephone, the internet, and so much more. That's how we know the right environment makes discovery, growth, and learning possible. Yes, together these character traits create a powerful and helpful character equation. Helpfulness plus organization equals an optimal learning environment. When you collect all the character equation cards, you'll see how they fit together to help you, your family, your school, and your whole community grow stronger and kinder, one choice at a time. Here's a comic strip to help you learn more about this character equation. A helpful choice is a functional choice. That means the choice makes things work well. A helpful choice helps your body feel good now and later. A helpful choice keeps your mind ready to think, listen, and grow. A helpful choice supports the people around you. A helpful choice helps your day go more smoothly. It's okay if the most helpful choice isn't always your first idea. Smart humans adjust when they learn what works better. One day, Lucy packed 7 stuffed animals in her backpack, but forgot her homework. At school, she realized that she had forgotten to make sure her backpack was organized with everything she needed, like her reading log and her homework. Oh no, I don't have my homework or my reading log, Lucy exclaimed. The next day, Lucy packed her folder, book, reading log, and pencil case and left most of the stuffies at home. Choosing to be mindful of what's helpful and staying organized makes things a lot better, Lucy said. Here's a poem about how our earth is a perfect classroom. The earth is quite the helper. It's planned things out just right. The sun comes up each morning and gives us golden light. The soil holds roots in order. The rivers know their path. The rain clouds take their turn to pour. It's like the earth does math. The trees give us oxygen. The bees don't buzz in vain. Each creature has its rhythm, like sunshine after rain. The flowers form in patterns. The oceans ebb and flow. Even snowflakes follow blueprints, falling to earth with the winds that blow. So when I pack my backpack or clean my learning space, I'm copying the earth's good ways with kindness, care, and grace. Helpfulness is grabbing tools and sharing them with cheer. Organization puts them back so they're ready when they're near. And that's how we get learning to truly shine and spark. With calm minds, caring hearts, we're lighting up the dark. So thank you, Earth, for showing how systems keep us strong. We're building up our futures and learning all life long. I hope you'll write your own poem about our amazing Earth. Here's a song about our Earth. I sure hope you'll sing along. My voice could sure use your help. This song is to the tune of She'll Be Coming Around the Mountain. Are you ready? The earth is like a classroom neat and bright, with the sun to give us morning, noon, and night. It helps us grow and play in a helpful, organized way. Let's learn from our earth and do it right. When I pack my books and pencils in my bag, and I tidy up my desk without a snag, I'm preparing like the earth for my learning and my worth, and my energy won't sag or lag. Helpfulness and organization leads to transformation. In school, at home, with friends we grow, with earth as our guide we'll always know. I sure hope you all will sing this song yourselves and add in the wrapping verse. I think you've got it. Remember, the goal of this character equation is to create an optimal learning environment by making helpful choices and being organized with your belongings, materials, and schedule at the same time. For this character equation, we'll practice using helpfulness and organization to create your optimal learning environments at home and school with various activities in the coming days. By practicing helpfulness and organization, you can learn more about how to be healthier, and that makes your life better for you, our school, and our whole world. That's why when you see this kind of a heart on one of our character equation slides, you'll know that this slide is all about bully boosting, helping to turn hurt into help. Every character equation helps build a better world for us. But the opposite of each equation isn't just a mistake. It can become a form of bullying or betrayal of all of our human family team. When someone chooses to be unkind, unhelpful, or harmful, they are tearing down someone who's supposed to be on their side. That's like hurting your own teammate, someone who could one day be your doctor, your builder, your neighbor, or your friend. We need everyone learning, growing, and gaining skills and joy. When we help others, we help ourselves too, because every skill, every friendship, every bit of kindness makes our whole world stronger, safer, and more fun. What is a bully booster? It's ideas and choices that stop bullying. Sometimes people say or do things that hurt others or distract from learning. If we're not careful with our choices, we might feel discouraged or stop believing in our own good impact. We might even start copying wrong choices. But we're here to say everyone deserves to live a happy, healthy, and free life, just like you do. Our human family has made mistakes in the past, but now it's our turn to help heal and improve the world by sharing our ideas, making helpful choices, and building respectful friendships. We want to learn the skills that will help, not harm our world. We can do this together for today, tomorrow, and for many generations to come. And it begins with you. It begins with all of us. And helpfulness is how we're going to get there. Helpfulness is how things are supposed to be. Remember, most people feel good when they give and receive help. It's not something to worry about, just something to be aware of, so it doesn't get in the way of your learning and growing and becoming your best you. Sometimes we might get in a bad mood or accidentally hurt someone. This can be solved by saying, "I'm sorry," and helping in some way to make it better. But remember, if you find that someone is being harmful on purpose, you need to find an adult to help make it stop. If you find that you feel like you don't like to help yourself and others, or if you want to cause harm, there are ways to help stop those feelings. Tell your teacher, a
counselor or your principal, someone that you trust, so that you can get help with these harmful feelings. You won't be in trouble. The people that will help you find fixes so that you can feel better, make friends, and learn at your very best. And that's what bully boosting is all about, healing the harmful feelings so that we can all get back to being a human family team. It's important to understand what bullying is. Put simply, it's when people cause harm because they don't like the idea of helping. While this is true, don't worry. There are many more helpful people making our world a place where we can all pursue happiness, healthfulness, and freedom. We are all each one person of a huge family team. There are over 1 million people who have dedicated themselves to protecting our healthy, happy, free plan. Our team goal is to convince the rest of the world that this is the best plan forward for our human family team. When you understand the kinds of bullying and the character equations that help stop them, you will recognize bullying, whether it's happening to you or someone else. You will be able to stop it early by speaking up, standing up, or asking for help. You'll be able to learn and make better choices, especially if you've ever felt tempted to hurt someone. And you'll also find peace and solutions with your friends or your trusted adults who can help you with the bullying problem. You see, we're becoming builders of schools, friendships, and a future full of health, liberty, and happiness for us all. Are you ready for Bully Booster number 1, turning hurt into help? Helpfulness plus organization equals optimal learning environments, but the opposite is harm and disorganization that creates a chaotic learning environment. Why do we need to teach you about this kind of bullying? Well, some bullying doesn't come from meanness or name-calling. It can just come from chaos. When someone constantly interrupts, makes messes, breaks things, or creates confusion on purpose, or even just from carelessness, it becomes hard for others to think, learn, or feel calm. We're going to call this chaos bullying. Even though it may seem small at first, it can make school and life really stressful. When people don't practice helpfulness and organization, they might leave messes for others to clean up, or blurt out and distract others during learning time. They might refuse to follow routines, which causes confusion for the whole group. Or they could hide or move other people's things as a joke. They might even ignore directions or cause delays with projects, class, or teamwork. Sometimes people act this way because they haven't learned how to be part of a helpful team yet. They might want attention but don't know how to get it positively. They might not realize that being disorganized and having a disorganized behavior makes others feel anxious or left out. They might think it's funny to mess things up, but they don't see the harm that it causes. There are doctors and counselors who study how people think, feel, and act. They are called psychologists and psychiatrists. Sometimes it can feel uncomfortable to talk about hard topics like bullying or harm, but staying silent can make those feelings grow stronger. Learning the truth and talking about it can help us feel better and find solutions. Experts say that some people may struggle with thoughts or behaviors that can hurt others. That's why it's important to know how to get help. If you ever feel like you might hurt someone, or if someone has hurt you, it's very important to talk to a trusted adult right away. Our goal is to stop harm before it grows so everyone can feel safe, learn, and do their best. Remember, you belong in our human family and at our school. Your efforts matter. You make valuable contributions, and you can overcome this kind of experience if it happens to you. What can you do to stop chaos bullying? You can choose helpfulness and organization together to become a leader who takes care of your space and materials. You can be a leader who helps your class get started and stay on track. You can be a leader who builds trust and calm in your learning environment. And you can be a leader who respects other people's focus time and work time. This is what makes you part of the Human Domino Effect, turning hurt into help by creating peaceful, productive places where everyone can learn, grow, and enjoy being part of a team. Be sure to watch this video titled, "Our Earth is a Teacher," to learn more about how our Earth exemplifies the character equation of helpfulness plus organization equals an optimal learning environment. You can find the link in the description below. Be sure to look for this video too. It is a historical fiction story titled The Bronze Builders. You can also find the link to this video in the description below. Here are some ideas to kick off a new year of learning with school-wide activities to transform your hallways, classrooms, and common areas into a living map of nature's organized helpfulness. Remember, this character equation is part of the health circle. It overlaps with liberty and the arts. When you make helpful choices like gathering what you need and organizing your space, you build an optimal learning environment, and that's how you start making life better. This character equation of helpfulness plus organization equals an optimal learning environment helps you get ready to learn through your 5 senses and discover what choices are healthiest for your unique body and mind. Congratulations on learning your first character equation for the year. I'll see you at Town Hall. These videos are free to share. Our goal is to help every child grow in the character traits of health, liberty, and happiness. You can help us reach more schools and learning communities by liking, subscribing, and sharing. For more learning materials, visit thehumandominoeffect.com. And don't forget, if you need a refresher on how to make your best choices in your own life, you can go back and watch the Healthy, Happy, Free videos. Until next time, keep making choices that include all 3 to be healthy, happy, and free.